Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I hereby give notice that on a future day, I shall move the adoption of the following resolution. Whereas 53 years ago, on October 23, 1969, HMCS Kootenay suffered the worst peacetime accident in the history of the Royal Canadian Navy. And whereas the explosion off the coast of England and the ensuing fire and toxic smoke claimed the lives of 9 crew members and seriously injured 53 others. And whereas the crew's ability to react swiftly and courageously prevented further loss of life and provided lessons learned to avoid future tragedies. Therefore, be it resolved that all members of the legislature recognize October 23rd, 2022 as HMCS Kootenay Day in the province of Nova Scotia. Mr. Speaker, I ask for waiver of notice and passage without debate.
There has been a request for waiver. Is it agreed? Agreed. It is agreed. But all those in favor of the motion indicate aye. Aye. Contrary minded, nay. The motion is carried. The Honourable Minister